At first, I thought this was a special event, but it happens almost every evening in Bangkok. This is Lumpini Park, one of the most popular public parks in Bangkok. Located in the heart of the city, it's a place where locals come to relax, walk, run, and enjoy outdoor activities after work. But every evening, one area of the park becomes something special. Hundreds of people gather here to exercise, dance, and have fun together. One of the best things about this activity, it's completely free. You don't need a membership, you don't need to sign up, and you don't need any special equipment. Just show up, find a spot, and join the crowd. Whether you're a beginner or someone who exercises regularly, everyone is welcome here. Just follow the music and have fun. But what makes this place even more special is the people. The atmosphere here is friendly and welcoming. You'll see people of all ages joining the fun together. Young people, office workers, retirees, and families all come here to stay active. And if you're a visitor, don't worry. You don't need to speak Thai to join in. Just follow the movements, enjoy the music, and have fun with everyone else. Many people come alone, but nobody feels out of place here. And it's not just Thai people who enjoy this activity. Many foreigners join in as well. Tourists, expats, digital nomads, and travelers from around the world come here to experience a different side of Bangkok. Instead of spending the evening in a shopping mall, they choose to exercise with local people and enjoy the lively atmosphere. It's a simple way to connect with the city and experience everyday life in Thailand. And judging by the smiles on their faces, they seem to be having a great time. But what about safety? That's another reason why so many people feel comfortable coming here. The park is well maintained and regularly monitored by security staff. Police officers are often present in the area, helping to keep everything safe and orderly. There are also medical personnel nearby, ready to provide first aid if needed. So whether you're exercising, walking around, or simply enjoying the atmosphere, you can feel more relaxed and focus on having a good time. For many people, that's one of the reasons they keep coming back. And not everyone comes here to exercise. Some people come simply to enjoy the atmosphere. You'll often see photographers, vloggers, and content creators walking around with cameras and smartphones. Many come here to film videos, take photos, or capture everyday life in Bangkok. The combination of green spaces, city views, and energetic crowds makes it a great place for creating content. Whether you're making YouTube videos, TikToks, Instagram Reels, or just taking photos for your memories, there's always something interesting happening here. Even if you don't want to join the aerobics class, you can still have a great time exploring the park and watching the city come alive in the evening. But perhaps the best part of all is the atmosphere. As the sun begins to set, the park becomes even more vibrant. Office workers arrive after a long day at work. Friends meet up to exercise together. Families take a walk, and runners fill the pathways. Surrounded by Bangkok's skyscrapers, the park offers a unique mix of nature and city life. There's music, laughter, and a sense of community that makes the place feel alive. For a moment, it's easy to forget you're in one of the busiest cities in Southeast Asia. And that's what makes evenings at Lumpini Park so special. Getting here is easy too. Lumpini Park is located right in the center of Bangkok and is easy to reach by public transportation. If you're taking the BTS SkyTrain, get off at Saladayang Station and walk a short distance to the park. You can also take the MRT and get off at Silam Station, which is just next to the park. With convenient access from both the BTS and MRT systems, visiting Lumpini Park is simple, even for first-time visitors to Bangkok. Bangkok is more than temples, shopping malls, and famous attractions. It's also about the people, the energy, and everyday life. And here at Lumpini Park, you can experience all of that in one place. If you enjoyed this video, just smile. Welcome to Thailand.